So to instantly level up your Safari experience, once you open any article, navigate to the search panel and enable reader mode to make your browsing peaceful again without distractions. From there, you can customize fonts and backgrounds to achieve the perfect layout. That's just the start of what's possible. Stick around to find out 10 more ways to make Safari truly yours. And let's begin with the homepage. Usually it is very cluttered with unnecessary recommendations, recently closed tabs, and other junk. To clean it up, click Edit and check off all of the items you don't need. Optionally, remove background for an extra minimalistic look. And finally, enable using the start page on all of your devices, so you will be able to enjoy clean browsing everywhere. To customize the homepage even more, you can use an extension called Bonjour. It lets you fully change the homepage from this to this. You can see the current time, weather, favorite tabs, and more. To customize it, click on the settings icon and you can change literally everything, from backgrounds to even custom code. And here's a bonus tip for power users. Find a dark background image on the web or use a link in the description and use it as a background. Then customize its brightness to achieve the same color as the Safari top bar. And there you go with an amazing start page. Another great thing to do is to tweak with settings of the browser a bit. First of all, you can change the default search engine to Bing or other ones, especially if you switched from other browsers to Safari. Another useful feature is closing tabs not manually, but after some time. You can adjust it too. Now, let's talk about extensions. Have you ever opened a website and been bombarded with ads, pop-ups, and trackers slowing you down? I found an app called Whipper 2, which fixes that instantly. It is fast, reliable, and private, but most importantly, does the job done. The app comes as a one-time purchase of $5 for both macOS and iOS. All you have to do to set it up is install the app, allow it to use website's data, and you're good to go. Another amazing app for Safari is Noir, which makes browsing at night so much more enjoyable. Basically, it makes every website in the browser totally black once the dark mode is enabled. You can customize themes, settings for specific websites, and even use widgets to turn it on or off right from the home screen. The app is a one-time purchase of $5 and does the job done as well. Safari also supports keyboard shortcuts you're used to. For example, Command plus T for creating a new tab, Command plus W for closing a tab, Command plus L for jumping to the address bar, and Control plus Tab for going back and forth through your tabs. Finally, let's talk about several hidden features almost nobody knows about. For starters, you can take full-page screenshots on iOS by making a normal screenshot and then selecting full page to capture any web page and then potentially save it as a PDF document. You can paste links as beautiful quotes. For example, to paste a link in the Apple Notes as a quote, tap the Share button and select Share to Apple Notes, which will instantly make your notes so much better. To discover hidden features of Apple Notes, subscribe to not miss a video about it. Of course, only if you enjoyed this one. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.